Dear UGC NET aspirants, right now I have the general paper book for page number 14, UGC NET paper 1 specific, and I would like to discuss types of evolution. Evolution is very important process in the teaching domain. Apart from teaching domain, many more realms of the life, almost all realms of the life will be needed evolution. Without evolution we cannot achieve in our goals, because the specific aim is the goals. And when we achieve to the top point of the content for getting the outcomes, evolution will be very important. Evolution can be classified into the following three types depending on the timing of evolution and the purpose of evolution: diagnostic, formative, and summative. So we can say the total number of evolution is, right now we have the diagnostic, formative, and summative. The three types of evolution is very important, which is given here. Three types of evolution is very important, which are here. Diagnostic: this type of evolution is usually done in the beginning of the teaching learning process in order to find out the specific weaknesses either on an individual or at class level. Both the level initial test for understanding the diagnostic evolution. And here you can see here also to find out particular strengths, not in general, particularly. This helps to design the courses and curricula according to the capabilities of learner, to help him overcome his defense deficiencies and knowledge, skills, and abilities. So overcome from the deficiencies will be very important for diagnostic evolution tests. Second number, formative. Formative may be the also called the formal. Evolution is concerned with making decisions relating to forming or development of students as well as the courses. It provides feedback at appropriate stages of the teaching learning process, which helps in making changes in the curricula, teaching strategies, and the learning environment. Formative evolution is done during the process of the teaching learning with the following main purpose: to monitor student learning for the purpose of providing individualized instruction, to evaluate teaching effectiveness, what the teacher have given. It can be estimated with the help of formative assessment, to evaluate courses and curriculum with the purpose of modification, updating, or replacement if necessary. So the curriculum will be replaced after the formative assessment. To evaluate curriculum materials, what types of materials has been given, what types of materials have been given. To evaluate the learning environment with a view to improving it. What are the faults and what are the defectiveness we can estimate. So the estimation of the defectiveness will be transformed in the effectiveness. So the defectiveness can be transformed into effectiveness. the process works upon in long term. So it is called continuous evolution, in which an unit test, class test, and assignments are the essential components. So the process works upon in long term, not in short terms. So the class test also come in formative assessment. Summative, obviously the name come from summation, sigma, Summative evolution is concerned with making judgments about the finished product or process. So the final process, finished, last process, annual, and form of annual examinations. Terminal examinations, whether internal or external, are a good example of summative evolution, but summative evolution must not necessarily be terminal. Must not. Obviously, yes, but must not. Cumulative assessments where they are undertaken solely for the purpose of selection, promotion, prediction, recording, and such other administrative purposes, should be considered as a series of summative evolutions. So what are the summative evolutions? You will understand. While class test, unit test, quizzes, and learning tests are the parts of formative evolution, the terms test, annual test, and external examinations conducted by school or public agencies are the essential part of the summative evolution. So you will understand this formative and summative after the learning this content. So summative evolution is either external type or internal type, maybe both the two types. So I have given the formative and summative. In next video I will provide you the difference between formative and summative evolution. If you are the teaching aspirants, if you are a teacher, if you are an educationist, then these types of evolution should be understood by yourself, because when you study, and you will find what is the evolution, because you will teach the students, and what students students have understood. You will, when you will take the test, either formative and summative, because the first process will be the formative and second process will be the summative. So the sequential processes will be administered by you. Then you will understand what are the faults in the students, what can be, how can you provide the remedies. So as a teacher, as an educationist, as aspirants of the teaching field, you should know definitely. I will meet you in next video with lots more with the teaching domain. Thank you.